Did you? Yeah, this city's called Phoenix.
Phoenix?
Yeah. Phoenix, Arizona.
But how is the big plane?
What do you mean, how is the big plane?
How can the plane land somewhere?
Oh, because it's so big, you don't see anywhere for it to land. That's what the airport's for. There's an airport around here somewhere that the airplane's heading for, Juju. Isn't that cool?
Why is the wing going up? Why is the wing always going up?
That's how they control the speed of the airplane. When they put the flaps down, that means they're slowing down. Yep, we're almost about to touch down, Juju. It's gonna be your first landing.
Over to the...
Is that a big city or what?
But airplanes can't go under bridge, right?
No, they cannot. The airplane probably wouldn't even fit on that freeway.
No. Or the city.
No, there's a spot for it in the city.
Or the road.
No, none of the roads.
Only airplanes can fly. Trying to get out like...
No, you got to keep your seatbelt on. We're not going to be able to get off right away, so you're gonna have to sit and wait for the rest of the people to get off. You guys got to make sure he has everything before we rush to our next plane. Getting close, did you?
Yeah.
See how close we're getting to the ground?
Mm-hmm.
Just went right over that freeway. Uh-oh. I think we're over the airport now.
Now the airplane...
Yeah, get ready. We're about to touch down, Juju.
The airplane can land down here.
Yep, this is exactly where the airplane's landing. Whoa,
No.
We're getting close, Juju.
I know that.
You know that?
But how cars can get on the road like this?
Whoa, we just touched down, Juju.
Oh, that's crazy.
Whoa, look at the wings, Juju. Look at the wings.
That was going so fast.
You see the wings over there? Whoa.
That was so fast.
There's your first landing.
Now we're getting off the airplane.
Not yet. Well, not yet. We still got to park. Look at the wings, though, Juju. See those flaps sticking straight up?
Now we're getting off.
No, you got to wait. You got to hold on.
Approximately 8:50. Please remain seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep down clear of all current items until we have safely reached the gate. The captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Just take this down to the
It's
top
the
of the
new
aircraft.
airport.
Oh, is it 8 minutes? Oh, good. That's good. So they're 3 hours behind. They may have to be.
Daddy,
You may not use your cell
Yeah.
phone while they taxi to the gate.
is this the new
American Airlines
airport?
and
Yes, this is the new airport. I hope that doesn't mess you up with your work.
Have appreciate your business. We look forward to serving you on a future flight. Have a great day.
Wow, they got a Bob Marley airplane? That's crazy. It's Alaska. It looks like Bob Marley though.
Boy, that one's
Oh, look at that. Did you see that?
Yeah, it's going
Whoa,
really
that
fast.
took off right in front of your face. Let me wipe your nose.
That was cool.
Okay.